Hello. We are starting a series to educate you on the operation and maintenance of various functions of your swimming pool. We will try to acquaint you with the functioning of the filtration and other related systems of your swimming pool and or your water bodies. Water body requires two types of maintenance: physical and chemical. Before we proceed further, please like and subscribe to get all the remaining parts on time. Maintenance is an important function and is a responsibility. Hence, our first duty is to appoint a pool caretaker. A pool caretaker should be trained to perform his duties required to properly maintain the pool. He should be a responsible person, and it always advisable to provide him with a suitable assistant. Physical maintenance. The terms physical maintenance means cleaning the pool by brushes and suction, sweepers and leaf rakes on one part, and circulation of water through filter system on the other. This means that the pool caretaker and his assistant should be trained to know the operation of filter and the cleaning methods thoroughly. Chemical maintenance. The term chemical maintenance means treating the water by adding chemicals to ensure clarity of water at a desired pH value. Following chemicals are used for the treatment: 1. Chlorine daily basis. 2. Alum once a fortnight. 3. Soda ash acid once in a while to correct the pH if required. We will discuss in detail about these chemicals in the second part of this series. Till then, keep fit and take care.